Hello, and welcome to my first live. And we're going to go through a walkthrough of Advanced Ads, which is a great plugin to get your ad set up under control, get AdSense installed, and get you making some money. So Advanced Ads is a free plugin that's available on the WordPress repository. It is an ad manager and it has nice integration with AdSense, which is one of the best starting out ad networks to join. So it's free on the WordPress repository. And then there are also add-ons and a pro version that you can buy. So there's an all access that has all of the different add-ons that he supports. And then there is just specific add-ons that you can go in and install, like Advanced Ads Pro is €40. He has responsive ads, tracking ads, a lot of different kind of add-ons to just make your ads look better and be able to be tracked and get you more money. All right, so let's go into our dashboard. And what we're going to do is once in the dashboard, you'll see on the left-hand side, I'm on the wrong dashboard, excuse me. So sorry about that. Let's go to I have some already set up, but we're going to go in and modify those and then also set up some new ones. All right, so we get a nice little welcome on our dashboard and we can go in and select create your first ad. So here, let's go ahead and title the ad. So let's say this is from Amazon Associates and it's just one of their general ads. Most ads are going to be plain text and code because in your affiliate dashboard or in Amazon, you'll get some code that you can just copy and paste. Some may be an image ad that you can grab the image and then link it to something specific. And then there's some other options as well. We're just going to go with the basic plain text and we're going to copy over an Amazon special. You can see that it's coming from Amazon and the width is 300 and the height is 250. So we're going to go ahead and add that in. The layout and output, if you want this to be centered or if you want it to kind of the text to go around it on the left or the right, you can set up some options. If you want it centered, you can also check this checkbox to add a clear fix, which will make it break to the next line. And then there's some display conditions. So if you want it to only display on certain pages, or if you want it to, I think this actually makes it not display on something, you can pick and choose what you want to do there. And you can also have visitor conditions. So if you want to specify a specific device that you don't want it to show on, or if a logged in user shouldn't see any ads, then you can also select those options. So once we have that, we have a title, we have the type, and we have the code. We're going to go ahead and click on Publish. The next screen will take us to the placement of the ad. So we have a couple of different options: before content, within the content, in the footer, in a sidebar. You can also get a short code and use it anywhere in the content. You can also put it in your header, but that requires some additional work with your template file. So we're going to say, let's go ahead and add it to the content area. And then it prompts you for after how many paragraphs. So think of your blog posts and think of after how many paragraphs do you want this ad to show up. So let's say we want it after 2 paragraphs. After kind of we get started, we want the ad to show up. All right, so if we switch to our front end, and let's go to a page that might have a little bit better content. There we go, and look, there is our ad. Looks very nice there, and we have a couple more ads that we added into the sidebar. I'll take a look at that right now. And we have an ad that we added as the top of our content that doesn't look that great. So let's go in and let's modify the one that doesn't look great, and let's take a look at our sidebar settings. So first, for the one that doesn't look great, let's go back into advanced ads, and we're going to go view all of our ads. One that doesn't look great is the AppSumo, so I'm going to go ahead and edit. And here we have our edit screen that is very similar to what we just filled out. And we'll go and I think if we update, it will ask us where to add it. If not, there's another place where we can see the changes. Okay, let's go into placements. So placements is going to have all of your different locations for the ad and what ad is showing up. So here we have before content and we have content. Those are the two places that we have ads right now. So we actually want to change this to, let's say, the that's the same one. Let me see if I have a better one. Yeah, it's a better one. All right, let's say we just don't want an ad at the top. And then there's our setting for the Amazon Associate ads. So we'll do that. And just double check that that ad is no longer showing up. Sorry about that. All right, no ad up at the top, but we have the nice ad right here, which works well. And we have some ads at the bottom. So these two are placed by sidebars and they're widgets. So if we go into the dashboard one more time and go into appearance and then widgets, we will see under the footer widget area, we have an advanced ad widget. And so we can go in and we could change that to the AppSumo ad, which might be very, very large in that area. And actually it resizes nicely. So there is the AppSumo ad. And then the other way that we inserted this ad is in the second widget area, we inserted it as a short code. So all of these ads have a short code where you can place it anywhere you want. If you want to place it in the middle of a blog post and want to specify just one blog post and then in a very specific spot, you are welcome to just go grab the short code and add it in. So that works really well to be able to have full control over your ads. All right, one last thing. On the ads dashboard, you will see all of the different add-ons that you can purchase. Again, the All Access has all of the add-ons, and then there's a couple of free add-ons. And if you subscribe to his newsletter, you get 2 free add-ons. So he's very great at support, and if you sign up for his newsletter, he has great advice on AdSense and how to get it to work the best and so forth. So it's really a great tool. And then if you want to set up AdSense, we're going to go into settings, and there's an AdSense tab under settings. And it's very easy. All you do is click on Connect to AdSense. It will take you to your account. It will authenticate you, and it'll come back and you put in a code and you're done. And you can start setting up your AdSense ads as well. So it gives you great flexibility of doing not just your affiliate ads, not just like standalone ads, but also integrating AdSense. And then if you get into further ad networks later on, you can also integrate those. It's a very, very versatile little plugin that, again, is available for free in the WordPress repository. So go install it today and set it up, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.